Pay homage to the Buddha by reciting Namo Tassa 3 times before start today our Dhamma lesson. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Dear brothers and sisters in the Dhamma, do you remember our last notes, last the chart? Uh, there are classification of 28 material phenomena. How we divide, how we classify the 28 rupa according to the name. भूत रूप उपादाय रूप आध्यात्मिक बाहिर वस्तु अवस्तु द्वार अद्वार इंद्रिय अनिंद्रिय ओलारिक सुकुम etc. Now the Pali words I use now. The essentials is Mahabhuta Rupa. There are 4. Remaining 24 Rupa we call Upadaya Rupa. Upadaya Rupa. There are 24 Rupa Upadaya. Adhyatika is internal. There are 6. The 5 internal. Other all we call external. Bahid. There are 23 Rupa external. Base Vattu Rupa, there are 6. Base, there are 6. There are 22 non-base Avattu Rupa. There are Dwara Rupa, there are 7. 7 Dwara Rupa. Non-Dwara, there are 21. 21. Faculty Indriya Rupa, there are 8. Non-faculty, there are 20. Olarika, Santike, Sappatika, gross, near, impinge. There are 12. Gross Rupa, near Rupa, impinge Rupa. Sukuma, Dura, Appatika, subtle, Santik, Sukuma, subtle. Dura, far. Appatika, non-impinge. There are 16. And clinging, the clown to Kamaja Rupa, no Kamaja. There are 18. 18. Non-Kamaja, there are 19. Visible, the Sanidasan, there are 1. Non-visible, there are 27. Taking object, Gochara, there are 5. No object, there are 23. Inspirable Rupa, there are 8. Means we call the Suddha 8 Rupa, 8. Separable, there are 20. Actually, according to this note, mainly you have to focus base and non-base. Base and non-base. How many base Rupa? There are 6. How many non-base Rupa? There are 22. Okay, especially today I want to explain quite detailedly about the base and non-base. Because this is I am following the Abhidhammatta Sangaha. This is the one of the book. But when you are going to read the Lord Buddha's pure teaching in the textbook, in the Dhammasangani book, no mention about the heart base. I want to explain today a little bit about the heart. Okay, now I think everyone know about the chakku pasada, no? Eye base, ear base, nose base, tongue base, body base, but heart base. The heart is a physical heart. Inside the physical heart, they have the pure blood. Those are pure blood is equal heart base. Always the main consciousness arising in the heart base. This is our meaning. Anyway, you can go to the today notes. You can get the notes today. This is a further explanation on Hade Rupa. Further explanation of Hade Rupa. Further explanation of Hade Rupa. In the Abhidhammatta Sangaha, there are 28 types of rupa are in the list. Now, I think everyone remember, no? There are 28 rupa in the list. However, in the Dhammasangani book, Dhammasangani, only 27 types of rupa are mentioned, excluding Hade Rupa. 28 types of rupa are in the list, excluding Hade Rupa. Dhammasangani is the first of the 7 books in the Abhidhamma Pitaka. Now, do you remember there are 7 books in the Abhidhamma Pitaka? No? Dhammasangani, Vibhanga, Dhatukata, Puggala Panyati, Yamaka, Katavatu, Yamaka, and Patthana. There are 7 books. Among the 7, first in Dhammasangani. Actually, the Dhammasangani book, there are 4 chapters. First one regarding Chitta, the dividing the Chitta. Second is a Rupa. Third is a Pakinaka. And next one is Attakata. That means the explanation. But anyway, important thing, Chitta, Chetasika, Rupa, all are explaining in the Dhammasangani book. The commentaries included Hade Rupa to the list of 27 rupas given in Dhammasangani to give a total of 28 types of rupa. Now you see, but the Hade Rupa not including in the textbook, in the Dhammasangani book, but in the commentary already included Hade Rupa. Total there are 28 rupa mentioned. But in the Dhammasangani book explain only 27 rupa. Why? What is the reason? This is we want to know. I remember in the Chitta, under the Chitta chapter, explaining the similar word for the Chitta. There is the similar word for the Chitta, no? The heart also is called Chitta. Because when we are discussing the Chitta, at that moment, when it is Kusala Chitta, Akusala Chitta, etc., all are the Chitta including in the heart base. Because of that, the heart base they explain in under the Chitta chapter. Because of that, no need to explain again in the Rupa chapter. That's why Hade Rupa not including in the Dhammasangani textbook, but Hade Rupa including in the Patthana book especially. It is also explained in the Buddha's teaching that in the 5 aggregate realm, Panchavokara Bhumi, mentalities arise depend on a material base. Now you see, because there are 3 worlds, no? Panchavokara Loka, Chatuvokara Loka, Ekavokara Loka. Panchavokara is 5 aggregates realm. Chatuvokara 4 aggregate realm. Ekavokara 1 aggregate realm. Now you see, the five aggregate, what is the five aggregate world? Now, except or excluding four Arupa world and Asanya world, other all we call Panchavokara Loka. Namely, four Apaya, four woeful place, a human world, six Deva world, and the first, second, third, fourth jhana plane. In the uh, Panchavokara is called excluding Arupa world and Asanya Sattva. Chaturvokara world called only Arupa Loka, Arupa. Akasananchayatan, Vinyananchayatan, etc. Ekavokara is called Asanyi world, only material aggregates. Now, especially, we are living in the Panchavokara world. Every mind moment arising, especially in the Kusala, Akusala, all are the mind moment arising in the depending in the heart base in the Panchavokara world. But anyway, some area in the Arupa world also, including others, but no, cannot, because no Hade Rupa in the Arupa world. Without Hade Rupa can appear the Chitta. But in the Panchavokara world, always Chitta arising in the heart base. Among the original book in the Abhidhamma Pitaka, it is mentioned in the seventh and the last book Patthana as follow. You see now about the Hade Rupa explained in the Yamaka book. Yang Rupan Nisaya Mano Dhatucha Mano Vinyana Dhatucha Pattanti Tang Rupang Mano Dhatuyacha Mano Vinyana Dhatuyacha An Sampayuttakanancha Dhammanam Nisaya Pachayena Pachayo. Now you see about the Nisaya Pache, under the Nisaya Pache explain Yang Rupan Nisaya Mano Dhatuch Mano Vinyana Dhatuch Vattanti. Dependent on this materiality, mind element and mind consciousness element arise. You see, the Manodhat is called three consciousness, no? Two receiving mind and one five to adverting consciousness. Those are three consciousness is called Manodhatu. And except Manodhatu, except the twofold Vijnana, two Chakku Vijnana, two Sota Vijnana, there are 10 Vijnana. Except 10 Vijnana, other all consciousness arising in the heart base. Now, this is an important thing. This material is related to the mind element and mind consciousness element. And they are associated Dhamma by the condition of dependent condition. Now you see, the Manodhatu and Manovinyana Dhatu always appearing in the heart base. This is an important thing. Now, according to this note, Hade Rupa we cannot give up, no? Cannot exclude in the Rupa chapter. But in the Dhammasangani book, explain only 27 Rupa except Hade Rupa. But we have to find the way. We have to find the think the way. That's why we explain according to the Patthana book. Explain Hade Rupa very clearly. What is important and what is the duty of the Hade Rupa. Although Patthana does not name the materiality, we understand that there should be a materiality depends upon which mind element and mind consciousness element, and their associated mental factors arise. Now you see, okay. Now you have to understand about the what is the manodhatu and manovinyana dhatu, always depending in the consciousness. Which consciousness? Because sorry, the manodhatu manovinyana dhatu arising in the heart base in the kama and rupa world. Kama and rupa world. Although mind element and mind consciousness element, mano dhatu, mano vijnana dhatu. Mano dhatu is there three consciousness. Do you remember? No, you know. I think the mano vijnana dhatu is 75 type of consciousness, except for the 10 sense consciousness, which arise depending upon their respective sense base, and the immaterial resultant consciousness, which does not arise depend on any material base. You see, now I think you have to understand the three consciousness manodhatu. Manovinyana is called 75 chitta, but very clearly explain the how many except for the 10 sense consciousness. You see, 2 chakku vinyana, 2 sota vinyana, 2 ghana vinyana, 2 jiva vinyana, 2 kaya vinyana, except the 10 sense consciousness, which arise depending upon their respective sense base, and the immaterial resultant consciousness. Now the arupa vipaka, which does not arise depend on any material base. You see, without any material base arising, the resultant of the arupa jhana. Now, because the arupa jhana kusala and kriya also arising in the kama world, rupa world, they also practicing the hade rupa, because the without knowing the hade rupa, difficult to understand mano dhatu and mano vijnana dhatu. Okay, therefore there should be a materiality which is acting as the base for the arising of these 75 type of materiality. What is this meaning? Okay, now you see, therefore there should be a materiality which is acting as the base for the arising of these 7 types of materiality. Now because we want to know what are the bases to arise the consciousness. So, which rupa is acting as this base? As it is not directly mentioned, we can approach by the way of reasoning of deduction, deduction. Dhammasangani has given a list of 27 rupas. So we will go over these rupas and check if any of them can be the base here for these mentalities. Now, I think this is one of the situation. No? Out of these 27, 10 of them are not concretely produced material, nibbana rupa. As there are unreal rupa, they cannot be base vatu for any mentality to arise. So we can eliminate these 10 unreal rupa. Okay, I think maybe you understand, no? What is the meaning of this paragraph, no? Out of the remaining concretely produced nibbana or real rupa, The five sense bases, Vatu, eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, sensitivity are already functioning as a basis for the arising of their respective sense consciousness. Therefore, they cannot further act as the base for the arising of Manodhatu and Manovinyana Dhatu. Okay? Now, but anyway, we have to understand what is the difference between the Manodhatu, Manovinyana Dhatu, Hade Rupa, because Hade Rupa always giving the support to Manodhatu, Manovinyana Dhatu arise. This is the meaning. After that, both the six materiality, Bhava Rupa, are not present in a Rupa Napunsaka, one who is neither male or female, but is neutral in gender. Yet for such a person, mentality arises. Therefore, the six materiality cannot be the base for the arising of Manodhatu and Manovinyana Dhatu. The life faculty, Jivitindriya, functions to protect sustain the Kammaja Rupa. So, if cannot also function as the base for Nirodha and Nirodha, the Manodhatu and Manovinyana Dhatu. The seven field materiality, Gochara Rupa, color, sound, smell, taste, tangible. Object which includes earth, fire, and wind element, as well as water element, are nutritive essence, oja, are found external to the body. If any of them were to be the base for materiality, it would mean that mentality can arise external to the body, but mentality cannot arise outside of the body. Hence, these nine rupa should be eliminated too. Now you see, because the Kamma Rupa, no? Kamma Rupa, the eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, heart, all are Kamma Rupa. Kamma Rupa always arising with us, but we have to understand very clearly about this is a meaning, because now I think chitta always arising depending with the consciousness, no? Because some consciousness arising, the chitta, the manodhatu, manovinyana dhatu, depending the heart base. But now we are explaining the different rupa, no? About the bhava rupa, jivitindri rupa, gochara rupa, etc. Now, we would mean mentality can arise external to the body. Now, mentality and materiality, okay? But mentality cannot arise outside of the body. Now, because the chitta, chetasika also arise in the body, no? This is the body. But rupa can arise in the outside, but chitta, chetasika cannot arise in the outside. This is the meaning, huh? Next one, they say, in this way of reasoning or elimination, all the 27 types of rupa mentioned in the Dhammasangani has already been eliminated. We can conclude, therefore, that there is an additional derived material upadaya rupa, which is functioning as the base for the arising of manodhatu and manovinyana dhatu. Should be okay, no? This is a meaning. There are commentaries, therefore, at the Hade Rupa as the base for the arising of Mano Dhatu and Mano Vijnana Dhatu, forming a total of 28 Rupa. Because without Hade Rupa, we cannot understand, cannot explain the Chitta and Chetasika. No? Always Chitta Chetasika arising in the Hade Rupa. Now they have the chart, no? Now you see the chart. Anipanna Rupa cannot be Vattu. Asada Rupa already Vattu for respective sense. Mano Dhatu, Gochara, Ahar Rupa also external. Mahabhuta. Bhava Rupa not found is Na Napusaka, Jivitendra protect and sustain Kamaja Rupa. There are 28 type of materiality. Great, essential, Mahabhuta, and mentality, sensitive mentality, objective materiality, sensitive materiality, objective materiality, sex materiality, heart materiality, life materiality, and nutriment materiality. Ahara Rupa. 10 type of concrete materiality, Nipan Rupa, 4 categories, delimiting materiality, intimating materiality, change and mutable materiality, and characteristic materiality. Okay. Now this is a 28 Rupa, the sound of the 28 Rupa. However, why is this Hade Rupa not included in the Dhamma Sangani? Now we are going to find the reason. We need to understand this form, the perspective of the Rupa Dukkha, the duality of materiality discussed in the Dhamma Sangani, where all type of rupas are separated into 2 groups according to the various aspects. First, we look at Vattu Dukkha, the duality of base. Now, because now the Vattu Rupa, Avattu Rupa, now do you remember? First, the beginning of this talk, I already explained. We should focus Vattu and Avattu, bases and non-bases Rupa. Now, the Chakku Vattu, Sota Vattu, all are including the Vattu Rupa. But others not including Vattu Rupa. Now, what is the meaning? We have to understand. Now, first we look at the Vattu Dukkha in the duality of base. Atti Rupan Chakku Sampasa Vattu, Atti Rupan Chakku Sampasana Vattu. There is a materiality which is the base for eye control. There is a materiality which is not the base for eye contact. Now say eye contact. Again, this is the materiality which is the base for eye contact. There is a materiality which is not the base for eye contact. This is materiality which is the base for the feeling, perception, volition, eye consciousness, born of eye contact. There is materiality which is not the base for eye consciousness. I know what is the meaning. Because now we have to understand what the base, no? First one, Chakku Sampasa Vattu. Where the Chakku Vattu is equal Chakku Vattu, same way, Sota Vattu, Gahana Vattu, Jiva Vattu, Kaya Vattu, and Mano Vattu. But now here explain only Chakku Vattu, Sota Vattu, Gahana Vattu, Jiva Vattu only. The eye sensitivity, Chakku Pasada, is the base for the eye contact, Chakku Sampassa, and all remaining type of rupas are not. Similarly, for feeling, perception, volition, and eye consciousness born of eye contact. Now, see, eye consciousness arising the eye base. Same way, ear consciousness arising the ear base. Nose consciousness arising the nose base. Tongue consciousness arising the tongue base. The base and consciousness arising the the tongue consciousness and tongue base, body consciousness arising the body base, but mind consciousness or all are not mentioned in the heart base, because in the Dhammasangani book only explain Chakku Sampassa Vattu Navattu, Sota Sampassa Vattu Navattu, etc. But now we have to understand very clearly Chakku Sampassa Vattu, Chakku Sampassa Navattu. Same way Chakku Sampassa Jaya Vedanaya Vattu, Sanyaya Vattu, Chetanaya Vattu, and Chakku Vinyanas Vattu. Now this is we call like aggregate, no? Chakku Sampassa, eye contact is a base for the eye contact. Same way, base for the feeling, perception, volition, and eye consciousness born of eye contact. Now, this is a way to explain. The eye sensitivity, Chakku Pasad, is the base for eye contact. Now, see, Chakku Pasad only base for the eye contact, Chakku Sampassa. And all remaining type of rupas are not. All remaining type of rupas are not. Similarly, for the feeling, perception, volition, and eye consciousness born of eye contact. Now, you see, the whatever consciousness arises with the eye, all are included in the eye base. Because the example, eye consciousness, feeling aggregate of eye consciousness, perception aggregate of eye consciousness, etc. All are things arise in the eye base. Same way, rupa, which is the base for eye contact, feeling, perception, volition, eye consciousness, born of eye contact. Eye sensitivity, Chakku Pasad. This is we call Chakku Pasad. Rupa, which is not the base for eye contact, feeling, perception, volition, eye consciousness, born of eye contact. All remaining rupa. Now you see, Chakku Vattu is called only Chakku Pasada. Other all are 27 rupa, not including, not the mentioned Chakku Vattu. In this way, all rupas can be divided into two groups, depending on whether they can or cannot function as a base for eye contact and the other materiality arising out of eye contact. Now, this was the meaning. Because now all the rupas can be divided into the two groups, depending on whether they can or cannot function as a base for eye contact and the other materiality arising out of the eye contact. Now you can see the notes. Explain. Similarly, we can understand for the other bases of ear, nose, tongue, and body as described in the Dhammasangani book. Okay. Now, same way, ear sensitive Sota Pasad. What's the Sota Pasad? Rupa, which is this is the base for eye contact. Same feeling, perception, volition. Ear. Rupa, which is the base for ear contact. Feeling, perception, volition. Ear consciousness born of ear contact. Same way, opposite, no? Rupa, which is not the base for ear contact. Feeling, perception, volition, ear consciousness born of ear contact. Now you see, the ear base means ear sensitive, Sota Pasad only. Other all are remaining rupa, not including ear base. Same way, nose base. Now, same way, nose base. Nose sensitivity, Ghana Pasad. Rupa, which is the base for nose contact. Feeling, perception, volition, nose consciousness, born of nose contact. Same way, Rupa, which is the base for tongue contact. Feeling, perception, volition, tongue consciousness, born of tongue contact. Same way, tongue sensitive Jiva Prasad. Same way, Rupa, which is the base for body contact, feeling, perception, volitions, body consciousness, born of body contact, body sensitivity, uh, Kaya Prasad. Now you see, now the Chakku Prasad is eye, Sota Prasad ear, Ghana Prasad nose, Jiva Prasad tongue, Kaya Prasad body. Okay. Whatever aggregates arising in the example, some aggregate arising with the eye consciousness, all are arising in the eye base. Same way, ear consciousness with ear aggregates arising in the ear base. Same way, tongue consciousness with aggregates arising in the tongue base. Body consciousness with aggregates arising in the body base. Okay, now I think you already know the about the bases. But now, however, Dhammasangana is stopped short of mentioning about the mind contact, Mano Sampasa. There no mention. If Hadi Rupa had been in product introduced, it would have been possible and necessary to continue on with mind contact as follow. Example, na, Rupa, which is the base of mind contact, feeling, perception, volition, mind consciousness, born of mind contact, heart base, but all remaining Rupa is called other. But now we have to understand, especially the mind consciousness, manovinyana, always arising in the heart base. We cannot say like this. Always depending on the heart base, we cannot say because sometimes uh, 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 some consciousness arising in the arupa world, no? But no more heart base. That's why in the Dhamma Sangani, stop the mention about the Mano Sampasa. Stop the mention Mano Sampasa. In this way, it would have been possible to divide all Rupa into two groups by this Vattu Dukkha, the duality of base. However, there will be a problem if we continue to the next Dukkharamana, Dukkha, the duality of object. Now, this is another example. How I explain now. Attiropan chakku sampassa arammanang. Attiropan chakku sampassa narammanang. Attiropan chakku sampassa jaya vedanaya sanyaya sankaraya. Chakku viññānassa narammanang. Attiropan chakku viññānassa narammanang. Now you see, there is a materiality which is the object for eye contact. There is a materiality which is not the object of eye contact. There is materiality which is the object for feeling, perception, volition. Eye consciousness born of eye contact. There is materiality which is not object of eye consciousness. Now you see, because we have to understand what the meaning Araman. Similar to the earlier dukkha, we can divide all rupas into two groups for the first five sense contact. How we understand? The Rupa, which is the object for eye contact, feeling, perception, volition, eye consciousness, born of eye contact. Now, you understand, no? For the color. Rupa, which is not the object for eye contact, feeling, perception, volition, eye consciousness, born of eye contact, all remaining Rupa. Now, see, same way about the sound, Shabda. That's one. Rupa, which is the object for ear contact, feeling, perception, volition, ear consciousness, born of ear contact. Rupa, which is not the object for ear contact, feeling, perception, volition, ear consciousness, born of ear contact. Next one, smell, the Gandha, Gandha, Rupa, which is the object of nose contact, feeling, perception, volition, uh, nose consciousness, born of nose contact. But same way, the Rupa, which is the not the object for nose contact, feeling, perception, volition, nose consciousness, born of nose account, so nose contact. Because now you see, smell object always uh, uh, the smell object always object is nose pasada, the dhana pasada. Same way, okay. Same way, we have to understand rupa, which is the object for tongue contact, feeling, perception, volition, tongue consciousness, born of tongue contact. Now see, taste object or taste become object to the uh, uh, tongue consciousness. Okay. Now, but anyway, the according to Aramana, Rupa Aramana, giving support for the eye consciousness. They may Saddha Aramana for the ear, Kandha Aramana for the nose, Rasa Aramana for the taste. And next one, Rupa, which is the object of body contact, feeling, perception, volition, body consciousness, born of body contact. Now you see, tangible means Patavi, Tejo, Vaya. The three elements we call tangible. Tangible object. Patavi, Tejo, Vaya. But Rupa, which is the object for the body contact, feeling, perception, volition, body consciousness, born of body contact. Same way, other all remaining no more Rupa. However, it would be a problem of mind contact. Mano sampasa is included. The object for mind contact is everything, all 28 rupa, all 89 chitta and 52 associated chetasika, concept and nibbana. Therefore, it would have been like this. Rupa, which is the object of mind contact, feeling, perception, volition, mind consciousness, and born mind contact. Rupa, which is not the object for the mind contact, feeling, perception, volition, mind consciousness, born of uh, mind contact. Since no rupas can be found not to be the object of mind contact. Now you see, because every rupas must be object for the mind contact, but they can be found not to be the object of mind contact. This is a dukkha, this two method of dividing rupa into two groups, Ruddha and the Arambana dukkha. Duality of object and cannot be established at all. At all. The last paragraph explaining if mind contact is excluded, from the analysis, then the Aramana Dukkha would stand, as this exclusus has to be applied to the preceding Vattu Dukkha too. So mental conduct is also excluded from the Vattu Dukkha, analyzing and consequently Hade Rupa is not mentioned in Dhammasangani. When we feel happy, sad, worry, etc., we can experience such a strong emotion is out heart area. Therefore, we can also understand that the base for such material it is in the heart base. Okay. Now, further, an advanced meditator check nimitta, jhana factors, and the arising and vanishing of materialities in the heart area, and is able to thereby confirm the presence of Hade Rupa in the heart area active as the base for Manodhatu and Manovinyana Dhatu to arise. Now you see, but anyway, now the in the additional note about the Hade Rupa, but the Hade Rupa not including Dhamma Sangani, but they have the reason. But anyway, after that we are going to talk with the Hade Rupa in the Patthana book. What very important thing is the Patthana book explain the Hade Rupa. But heart base is the main base for the mind process, especially, and especially the eye, ear, nose, tongue, and body. The five arising, but five they have some activities, but the mind activities is quite strong because the kusala chitta, apasara chitta, all are coming, all are arising because of the Hade Rupa. Now, this way, everyone, I think, Hade Rupa must understand. Without Hade Rupa, we cannot live, no? We cannot do anything. Hade always support us to check our mind and the Manodhatu, Manovinyana Dhatu. But anyway, we should understand in the Dhammasangani book, no mention heart base directly, but the comment explain. But in the Abhidhamma Sangha book also always following the Dhammasangani extra book, but they also not in Rupa. But now, anyway, we try to understand the Hade Rupa. Always we need, because we are living in the Panchavokara world, no? Panchavokara world. But now we have to know about the heart base. Without heart base, we cannot live. Even when you are taking the object in the idol, but after that, eye consciousness arises in the receiving mind. Receiving mind also arises in the eye base. Sorry, the heart base. Receiving mind, same way, investigating mind, determining mind, and in function, the Javana mind and the registration, Sadharamana mind. All are the chitta process arising in the heart base. But only color when they impinge the eye base, same way object impinge the heart base. When the sound impinge the ear, same moment the sound impinge the heart. Same way the smell object when they impinge to the nose, same moment impinge the heart. When the taste object impinge the tongue, same way impinge the heart base. Now, when the tangible object impinge the body, same moment the object impinge the heart. That's why we should understand we are living in the Panchavokara world, especially the Kama world. We are always we're taking the object using the many kind of door, but need the we need hard based uh, uh, the we need the hard base to understand and clearly explain everything. Without hard base, we cannot do anything. We cannot live anymore. So uh, I think every our brothers and sisters, when we are going to read the Dhamma Sangha, the Rupa chapter, at that moment, uh, you can read all the Rupa chapter. You cannot find the Hade Rupa in there, but Hade Rupa we have. Without Hade Rupa, we cannot count and we cannot uh, do anything. We need the hard base. But there are six bases: eye base, ear base, nose base, tongue base, body base, and heart base. But heart base is Hadya Rupa is one of the subtle Rupa in the according to the classification of the 28 Rupa. Now I think everyone they are get the meaning about the Hadirupa. I think everyone try to memorize the classification notes notes for the how they classify the 28 of material phenomena, and maybe next chapter. But today I think no time to explain. But later you can get the notes from the sister feeling and from Brother JJ. Chapter Compendium of Matter, the originated nation of matter, Rupa Samutthana. Rupa Samutthana, because now there are four modes of origin: uh, Kamma Samutthana, Chitta Samutthana, Ahara Samutthana, and Uttu Samutthana. There are four origination of the Rupa. Material phenomena originate in four ways: from Kamma, from consciousness, from temperature, from nutriment, Ahara. Also, they have the lot of things inside. When you are free, you should read all one by one. This one also we want to know. We need, because now the when we are going to do the Kama Bone Kalapa, Kama Juropa, but hard base is including in the Kama Bone Kalapa. But the Dhamma Sangani book also mentioned the Kama Bone Kalapa, no more hard base. This is a fiction. This is the question for the when the new student, when you are going to read Dhamma Sangani, that after read, they say, oh, no hard base. We no need to think about hard base. Hard base is useless. Now, someone can say like this, no, but we need the hard base according to our Dhamma. Okay, I think maybe do you have anything to ask about the hard base today? Because I read all the notes and explain. If you have anything to ask, please let me know about the further explanation of Hade Rupa. But they have the more details in the Patthana book also, because the always dependent on this materiality, mind element and mind consciousness element arise, because the heart base always depend with the mind element and mind consciousness element arising in the heart base. Without heart base cannot arise in the Fido, so the Panchavokara Bhava and five aggregate realm and Chatuvokara, so especially Panchavokara Bhava. Panchavokara always heart base need to arise the consciousness. Okay. Sorry. Idam me punyang asavaptaya vahang hotu. Idam me punyang nibbanasya पच्चयो होतु मम पुण्य भागं सब्ब सत्तानं भाजेमि ते सब्बे मे समं पुण्य भागं लभन्तु साधु 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 सुखी होतु निब्बान अच्छे होतु सुखी होतु।